The light revolution began with a single burning filament, a glowing spark that ended the era of darkness forever. Long before this electric miracle, our ancestors gathered around primal cave fires, staring into embers that warded off the wild. Ancient Egyptians later crafted oil lamps from clay, while Romans introduced wax candles, casting shadows across stone halls. By the Middle Ages, skilled craftsmen hand-cast bronze holders, struggling to master the flicker of light in a world governed by the setting sun. We have always sought to master the night. In 1879, Thomas Edison achieved his great triumph, turning carbonized bamboo into a persistent glow that redefined human life. We witnessed the evolution from fragile incandescent bulbs to energy-saving fluorescence, finally reaching the dawn of LED technology. This is a digital era where light is a masterpiece of electronic precision, far beyond simple heat. These innovations have turned night into day, allowing life to flourish long after the sun goes down. Today, we stand at the peak of lighting history. The electronic age of light has finally arrived to stay. Step inside a massive lighting factory, a cathedral of high-tech manufacturing, where flycams capture the scale of our operations. Here, specialized engineers design complex aluminum heat sinks, ensuring every watt of energy is managed with perfect thermal efficiency. We prioritize eye protection by simulating spectrums that eliminate harmful blue light for every user. Our storage houses high-performance LED chips and pure quartz glass, tested for extreme purity before reaching the line. We monitor copper-plated circuit boards gliding across conveyors. These are the foundations of brilliance. Every component is chosen for excellence. Choosing LED technology represents a staggering 80% leap in global energy savings. The plant manager welcomes you into sterile clean rooms, where ionized air sweeps away every invisible speck of dust. Inside, the high-speed mounting process begins, as machines delicately pull the first strips of LED chips. This is a dance of precision, happening in the blink of an eye. In our R&D labs, scientists labor under powerful microscopes, refining every semiconductor to push the boundaries of possible. As the production line roars, a modern beam begins its journey. The future is bright. Manufacturing begins in the roaring heat of the forge, where glass melts at 1500 degrees Celsius until it glows like liquid sun. Automated blowing machines breathe life into iconic bulb shapes before slow, controlled cooling in the annealing Lear. Meanwhile, heavy-duty presses forge solid aluminum into high-performance heat sinks, demanding absolute physical power. These shells are anodized, creating a durable, non-conductive surface that ensures every electrical component is perfectly insulated. In the heart of the assembly line, SMT robots move with micrometer accuracy. This is a mechanical ballet of engineering. Precision is our standard. Robots, operating at incredible speeds, place each LED chip with sub-micron precision. This is followed by high-velocity reflow soldering that fuses every tiny component into a reliable light engine. We apply specialized thermal compounds to the aluminum base, ensuring heat is dissipated to prolong the electronics' life. As the circuit board is integrated, we solder the electrical leads with expert care. Every screw cap is forged to universal standards, fitted with ceramic insulation to prevent any risk of failure. This attention to detail separates a professional instrument from a simple light. Every joint is secure. The LED driver, the sophisticated brain of the bulb, is assembled with high density to manage power with absolute stability. We seal these electronics with moisture-proof silicon potting, protecting against humidity in any environment. Once the driver is connected, ionized air sweeps away microscopic dust particles that could interfere with clarity. Polycarbonate diffusers are then mounted, designed to provide a wide, soft glow that eliminates harsh glares. Every bulb is checked for its IP rating, ensuring it remains sealed against dust and insects. As the aging test begins, the factory floor lights up. Testing has started. During the full load testing phase, every bulb is cycled on and off 5,000 times to survive the most demanding usage patterns. Our technicians utilize infrared thermal imaging to scan for hotspots, ensuring heat sinks perform at peak efficiency. We measure the color rendering index with extreme precision, guaranteeing the light produced is true to life and vibrant. Any hint of a flicker is instantly detected and the unit removed, as we strive for a perfectly steady beam. High-precision lasers then mark each bulb with technical specifications. Every light is a masterpiece of energy efficiency and engineering. For our specialized filament series, we thread wolfram wire into a vacuum, bridging the classic past with a high-tech present. To ensure longevity, we evacuate oxygen and fill the glass with pure argon gas. A high-intensity flame seals the glass forever, followed by rigorous leakage and high-voltage insulation trials. We subject our diffusers to extreme impact tests, simulating rough handling to ensure they never shatter in your home. Once every electrical and physical parameter is met, we move to completion. Every bulb is a fortress of engineering excellence. Quality is never compromised. Automatic robots handle the boxing process with graceful speed, ensuring no human hand ever touches the sterile product. Every box is printed with a unique QR code, offering full traceability from the factory floor to the customer's home. Security seals are applied, a final barrier ensuring the bulb reaches you in its perfect state. Master cartons are packed and weighed automatically, while robotic arms stack them onto pallets with surgical precision. Every pallet is wrapped in protective stretch film to guard against the elements during its journey. We ensure absolute perfection in every shipment. The journey begins. Even in the warehouse, testing continues. Chungdoi subject random samples to intense vibration trials, simulating the bumpy roads of international transport. Our commitment to the planet is visible in our glass recycling systems, where every shard is reborn into a new bulb. Inside the factory, specialized robots insert drivers into the lamp bodies with incredible speed. We monitor brightness uniformity across every LED, ensuring the light is as steady and even as a clear summer day. Custom color coatings are applied to meet the aesthetic demands of our global partners. Beauty and science work together. We analyze the mean time between failures for every component, ensuring our bulbs shine bright for a very long time. We utilize ultrasonic joint welding for the lamp caps, creating a bond that is physically inseparable. In our dark rooms, lux meters measure exact illumination levels to ensure our bulbs exceed all industry standards. For our Smart series, we test IoT connectivity for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring your home automation is seamless. We also conduct rigorous photobiological safety checks to protect your eyes. This holistic approach defines our technology. Every unit is a smart choice. Final dust removal is achieved with a blast of ionizing air, ensuring the diffuser remains crystal clear for maximum light output. We stake the lamp caps firmly into place, a permanent mechanical lock, ensuring the bulb remains intact. By maintaining a strict color tolerance, we guarantee that every bulb produces the exact same shade of light. The entire packaging line moves with a relentless rhythm, a symphony of automation and efficiency. International barcodes are applied, signaling its readiness for the global market. We simulate drop tests, protecting the fragile light within. Our packaging is a protective fortress. Sustainability is a core principle. We recover every scrap of aluminum, feeding it back into our production cycle. The very LED lights illuminating the floor are powered by green energy systems, a living example of efficiency. We scan circuit boards under high-powered microscopes, detecting microscopic flaws before they become failures. Moisture resistance trials subject our components to extreme humidity, proving our bulbs can thrive in any climate. Finally, AI vision systems monitor the entire production line in real time, acting as an all-seeing eye. Every bulb is guaranteed to be perfect. Beauty meets peak performance. As night falls, our cities are transformed into glowing tapestries of light, powered by the energy-efficient brilliance crafted in our factory. We see the impact of our work in the eyes of children studying for a brighter future. This evolution from a humble candle to a high-tech LED is a story of human perseverance. Our lights are essential in hospitals, schools, and communities, nurturing a safer and more connected world for everyone. We are proud to play a part in this global transformation. We are building a sustainable future, light for every single person. The future of light is intelligent and dynamic, with biodynamic systems that follow the natural rhythm of your life. Our eco-friendly mission is driven by the pride of cool people, the dedicated engineers standing behind every invention. As we recap this industrial journey, we are inspired by the long chronicles of light that have defined our history. We are not just manufacturing products. We are crafting the tools of inspiration for the next generation of thinkers. This story of light is far from over. We continue to innovate. We push the limits of technology. As the lights slowly fade, the bright ideas we've shared today continue to glow in the hearts of those seeking a better tomorrow. We hope this journey through the heart of modern manufacturing has inspired you to look closer at the world. Your support helps us continue the mission of illuminating the world with quality and care. Remember to like and comment below to join the community, and stay tuned for more industrial secrets. The future is only as bright as the ideas we bring to life. Until then, keep shining your light. Goodbye.